Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily remove a payment method on Zoom. So all you have to do is head over to zoom.com and of course make sure that you're already logged into your account. Next is just head over and click on my account. Next, in the top right corner of your screen, just click on your profile icon, then click on plans and billing. Next is just switch to billing management. Then in the payment method section, just click on the three dot icon beside the payment method that you want to remove, then click on remove payment method. Click on remove. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!